Okay, here's the 9C1 police car. Hang on. Yeah, it's turning over. There you go. Cool. Great. Cool. Good job. Thanks for getting it going. We've been sitting in the desert for a long time, so... So what it needs, the injectors were...
Throttle body, injectors all going down, they're all going up.
Fuel pump, throttle body.
Alternator wasn't charging.
Right.
Burns got out.
Right.
Losing the hose, broken on it.
Yep. 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 Is this normally, this part here, does that normally have some sort of a cover on it, you know, or? Okay.
But it's not what goes on that end.
Right, okay. Oh, it's in the boot. Okay. Oh, cool. Thanks very much. Great. It's nice to get it finally, well, not finally, but it's good to get it going, considering we're sitting in the desert in California for quite a few years, so needs a good clean, obviously, and all the dash parts I've got in the boot, there's plastic bits. I've got a new dash pad for it, so...
Turn it off because it hasn't got much fuel in it.
Oh, okay, no problem. Cool. That's great. Oh, well, good to see it's now going.